Hello everyone, welcome to the Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the Polkadot Crowdloan, the collaboration of Finance Finance and the Crust. And so they just released the Crowdloan for the Crust on the Polkadot. And you can do the Crowdloan through Finance Finance, their liquid Crowdloan. In this article, they talk about two different Crowdloan. One is a Crust, another one is Aventus. So the Crust is already alive, so I'm going to talk about that today in the video. So Crust is the Web3 storage for the metaverse. So they are doing the decentralized storage. And I remember I used their file system before. So you basically can post a file, and I think they use IPFS, and then like your file will be stored decentralized, and different than some other centralized service. Your file will be there on the blockchain, so it will not be getting lost. So the idea is very good, and that's also why if you check their price, there is a time like the price is a 3-digit, is more than 100, but now it's less than $1. So that's one of the risks I would like to mention for this Crowdloan. So if you check the Finance, it's already there, and I would like to mention the reward for the Crust. If you participate, so the best scenario, you probably will get maybe 0.4 CRU, and the worst scenario is they raised all of the 100,000 dot, reach the hard cap. That's the worst, because like overall they will have this many like Crust token in the reward pool. So the more people contribute, the less reward you will get. And the worst case, like even the best case, you will get maybe 0.4 CRU. And if you check the price, 0.4 is maybe 50 cents, 40 or 50 cents per dot. So I actually I would not recommend that. It's difficult to say that, because I'm really a strong supporter of the parallel chain, but it's just like the reward is too less. Of course, some of you may argue like the future price. So that one I cannot I cannot guarantee, or I cannot predict, but of course, like if you said it will go back to 100, then 0.4 or 0.2, that's more than the current price of the dot easily, right? If I'm going to do that, if I really want to support the Crust, actually it's better I directly buy the token, because if I have the dot, I can actually just stake that in the Relay chain or in Finance, and I can get maybe 20% APY. So that's much higher than this Crowdloan. So this is the figure. You can see that like the best scenario is 0.4. The worst one would be 0.2, and I'm not very optimistic, and their inflation is 12%. But for the educational purpose, I'm still going to show you how to contribute through Finance. So again, like I'm not going to recommend this one, but just in case some of you are interested and think the Crust will go back to $100 in the future, maybe it's worth to participate. So I'm going to contribute a little bit and show you. So in order to contribute, you first need to get some dot to parallel. So I'm going to put 0.05, let's say. Okay, so I will just get this, because I need to first get the dot from Relay chain to parallel parallel chain. And make sure you are not using the hardware wallet. I think it's not well supported. So use a JS wallet. So now it's going to ask you to confirm this transaction. So so you will just put the password. Okay, and so it will take a little bit time. And then the dot will be transferred to parallel parachain. And then once it has been transferred, then you can contribute. So I'm going to show you. So it will take a little bit time. Okay, done. And you should have the so you should have the dot. Now you can contribute. So I'm going to contribute 5 dot. Oh, wait a second. Why the minimum is 1 CRU now? Okay, so maybe, yeah, maybe somewhere is wrong, or maybe they update the reward. It could be. So anyhow, I'm going to just show you first. So I will get it confirmed from the Parallel Finance team. So I will contribute. So now I will contribute, and it will take a little bit time. And let's see. Okay, it's done. So oh, now I think I understand why that's the case. It's a 1 crust for 5 dots. So I contribute 5 of them. So 0.2 is still the minimum you will get. So yeah. Okay, so you can check your rewards, and I'm not going to do that now, but I just show you overall, and I show you how to contribute through Parallel Finance. And if you contribute through Parallel Finance, not just a 0.2 CRU, you will also get 4 para token for each dot. So that's some actual rewards, and your contribution will have a liquid dot. So that means you don't need to wait 2 years, you can get it earlier. All right, so I think that's all for this video. Just will show you the Crust Crowdloan, and show you how to do that through Parallel Finance, and also show you the rewards. It's not that good, so I don't really recommend that. But again, it might be like in the future the price of Crust would be high. So if that's the case, actually you should buy the Crust token, right? So that's just my thoughts. If you have any other idea like why that's the case, why the Crust just give a little bit rewards, leave a comments, let me know. I would be happy to discuss with you. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.